This is your personal invitation to visit either or both of our open houses this Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m. Open houses are a great way to get your feet just a little bit wet when you're thinking about starting your house hunting. Not only do you get to view some beautiful homes and kind of experiment with what you like and what you don't like, but there's always a licensed real estate agent on call at our open houses, so that even if you're not interested in the house itself, you'd be able to talk with any of our knowledgeable teammates to get a little more information and see if they might be a good fit for you. Karen will be able to give you a personal tour of the home in Chippewa at 110 Mildred, or you can pop by this property at 183 Wartenberg Road. Mike will be present to show you all of the potential that this home has to offer, and he'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions when it comes to the Ellwood City Market. Don't hesitate to visit either 110 Mildred in Chippewa or 183 Wartenberg Road this Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m. View these homes and ask our agents any questions that you may have. Of course, you don't need to attend the open house. If there's ever anything you need, you know that my team and I, we're always here and happy to help.